Lila, be quiet. They're gonna scratch you. Alright, be quiet though. So we're being very quiet because we don't actually want to stay. Oh god. We don't want to touch these cats because they will scratch us. Then again, they are stray cats. But Dean, come here. Oh, okay, he's going that way. I thought he was going to the other side of the truck. And we're not going to touch these cats. There are 3 back there. You'll probably only see 2. Oh no, never mind. You see 3. Not sure what you see.
But there's 1.
But they are literally just under the truck. What are they doing? This cat's moving around. That yellow cat, he's just staring at us. They're all chill with us too, though. What is he doing?
Oh my gosh.
He's trying to get under.
I know he's coming.
That really big orange one is just chill with us being here. The other ones are literally standing up almost.
Oh my God.
I can tell they've been a little uncomfortable with us being here. Damien, go get Rosa. Go tell Rosa to come here. Go tell Rosa to get the cats. Careful though. Like, the only reason I'm not moving this camera off is because I'm trying to get the cats on these cats. There's that one right there. There's another one right next to that tire, and there's another one all the way up. They're all just chilling. Let it be quiet. Let it be quiet. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh god, they just started fighting. He's staring at us. I'm leaving because he's picking up his ears.
He doesn't care about the noise. Lila, he doesn't care about the noise.
We just found them right here. I was just recording them earlier, and all of a sudden she finds another one.
But she just looked. She didn't even care.
I'm on my Razor Jets. Finally learned how to ride these things. They're very fun. What? Why?
So we could run and exercise.
No.
Lila, oh my
Oh.
God, he's gonna hit me with
This truck. He's gonna start the truck and he's gonna make them scared.
Maybe he's gonna start this. We have moved this far. We could. Okay, Lila.
I want to see the reaction. I just need to see the reaction so that.
Lila, there's a cat over there. There's a cat over there.
all scared.
They're under the trash can now.
Look, there's one right there. There's one right here.
Kitty, come here.
And they're all under that car. I mean that.
Watch out with the kitty. Watch out with the kitty.
Those look like strangers. Get off there.
Watch out with the kitty.
They're all under there.
And there's one under Alex's car.
Oh God.
That's scared of the
That's funny.
That's
Literally hecka funny.
You should have let them stay.
They would have died in the engine if Dad actually went.
Damien!
There's more. They're just walking around now. Wow.
Damien! Come here! Look, there's mice. There was mice, Damien. Damien, go scare the other ones and then run fast.
They probably left to like a bush.
Maybe. Or they left to that room.
I don't know. They probably do live there because
Okay.
there's a lot of cats.
Okay. Bye, guys.
There's another one.
Let's go in that house.
He's trying to scare it. Oh, damn.
He's sitting right there. Oh, no.
He went over.
I scared them. Damien, Damien, maybe there's more in the trash can.
There was like 5.
Maybe. I think there's more. Go check.
Oh, look, he's up there. He's climbing the wall. He's up there climbing the wall.
Oh my God.
There's another one over there. Man, those kids just go anywhere.
Yeah.
So, he left already. He was... That wall over there, there's dogs. Uh-oh. Man, if he falls, I feel bad for him or her. Damien, you want to do the outro?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember to subscribe. Leave a like. Comment down below. Bye, guys. Comment down below. Bye.
Bloopers.
Down below. Bye.
Oh. The actual fail is caught on camera. Let's go, there's more.
I saw it.
Are you lying? Because I'm using storage
No,
here.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Where? They're not there. Liar.
They run back over there. They run back over there.
They're not over there.
Over here.
They're not over there. Anyways,
Yes.
bye.